Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to disable dark mode on YouTube. First of all, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my mobile device. Now I'll go to YouTube, and over here you can see my YouTube app is open. Now on the bottom right you'll find this Y-O-U-U. Click on this. And over here you'll get this interface. On the top right you'll find this gear. Tap on it and go to general. And over here you can see dark theme. That means my dark theme is active. Now to remove this dark theme, just tap on it and you can see our dark mode is disabled on YouTube. So in this way we can disable dark mode on YouTube. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.